Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be exploring various methods of teaching and the remarkable individuals behind them. Teaching is a timeless profession that has constantly evolved in response to societal needs, cognitive research, and innovative thinkers. These extraordinary individuals developed unique methodologies that revolutionized the art of education. In this video, we will explore the foundations and the key proponents of some of the most influential teaching methods. Let's move to the first method, Montessori Method. Montessori Methods was founded by the visionary Italian physician and educator Dr. Maria Montessori. This innovative approach emphasizes hands-on learning, self-direction, and individualized instruction. Dr. Montessori believed in creating an environment where children could explore freely, learn at their own pace, and develop their potential to the fullest. Her method has facilitated the growth and independence of countless young learners worldwide. Moving to the next method, Waldorf Education, a pedagogical system established by the Austrian philosopher Rudolf Steiner. Rooted in a holistic approach, Steiner philosophy emphasizes the interconnection of intellectual, artistic, and practical skills. Waldorf Education promotes imaginative play, artistic expression, and a deep connection with nature. Steiner advocated nurturing each child's unique talent, fostering creativity, and encourage self-expression through various mediums. Let's move to the third method, Reggio Emilia approach. Born in a small town of Reggio Emilia, Italy after World War II, founded by Loris Malaguzzi and a group of educators and parents. This influential method emphasizes collaboration, experiential learning, and respect for children's innate curiosity. The Reggio Emilia approach encourages children to explore topics of interest through projects, fostering research skills, critical thinking, and creativity. Let's talk about the fourth method, constructivist learning, an approach developed by psychologists Jean Ferret and Lev Vygotsky. This method posits the individual actively construct knowledge by building upon existing mental frameworks. Rather than passively receiving information, learners engage in hand-on activities that promotes problem solving, critical thinking, and active participation. Constructivist learning recognizes the importance of prior knowledge and social interaction in the learning process. In conclusion, in this captivating journey through the history of teaching, we have explored some remarkable methodologies and their visionary creators. From the Montessori method to Waldorf education, the Reggio Emilia approach to constructivist learning. These methods have transformed the landscape of education. Each approach embodies the belief that education should be tailored to the individual needs and abilities of learners, fostering their growth and igniting their passion for lifelong learning. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.